Welcome to Concrete Contractors Springfield, Illinois, your local destination for top-quality concrete services. With years of expertise and a commitment to excellence, we specialize in a wide range of concrete solutions to meet your residential and commercial needs. From crafting beautiful driveways, sidewalks, and walkways to creating stunning patios with stamped and decorative finishes, we bring your vision to life. Our process involves our clients from start to finish. We will work with you to achieve a price that fits your budget. Create a design that aligns with your vision and minimizes disruptions to your schedule and daily life. When you work with us, you get a smooth, seamless experience and a stunning result that is on schedule, on budget, and exceeds your expectations. We also specialize in a wide range of concrete repair work. If you've got concrete damage, we've got concrete solutions. As our valued client, you can expect a commitment to excellence, high standards of productivity, integrity, and reliability, custom project plans tailored to your needs and aesthetic vision, safety in all processes and phases of the project, and high-quality services delivered on time and within budget. We will work with you every step of the way, from the initial design to the final touches, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Contact us today to get started on your next concrete project.